word post that you completed yesterday, focusing on the shared themes that these stories have. And then I am going to introduce you to some of the questions that you will be responding to today. So I know that the graphic organizer was optional today, right? I mean, it's suggested that you complete it as you read. However, you're not uploading it. So because you didn't upload it yesterday, maybe you chose not to complete the graphic organizer. I will say, even as like a pretty strong reader, after reading through both of these, there were details and different ideas that I missed until I completed this graphic organizer. So I'm really like happy and thankful that I went through and took the extra time to do this, and I hope that you are too. So let's talk about the first folktale here, the one that came from Italy about Giuravi and the princess. Well, we know that basically he is a fool and she is a princess, and the king, he's not too happy with it. So we have our characters listed here, and we know that the topic of this story was that a man who is a fool marries the princess. And what were the events that happened after these two fell in love? Well, things get kind of messy, right? They fall in love and the king is upset. We've already said that. But then what does the king do? Well, he sends them rolling over a cliff in a barrel, basically to go and drown. And then they get out, and what do they wish for? They just wish for this humble cottage. But does that appear? No, it's a beautiful castle, and then they live happily ever after. So now they have like this amazing life together that's starting, and they are quite happy. So a theme in this story might be that basically what it sounds like to me is that they were presented with a lot of challenges, right? The king is upset, he tries to kill them, they get out of a barrel, they don't have a place to live, but they wish for a home, and now they have this beautiful castle. So what I'm thinking for a theme is that love can overcome challenges. They made it out of the barrel safe and sound and into their new home. So that's what I would write for the theme for this one. Yours might be slightly different, and that's okay. Now let's take a look at the next one, this folktale from Germany about Hans and the princess. This one had a lot of other ideas that were introduced and kind of like interweaved throughout this story here. We know the topic was the same, right? That a fool marries a princess, but it happened a little bit differently. In this one, the princess and the fool, Giuravi, they actually fall in love. In this one, not so much. The dog, the king's dog, goes out and retrieves Hans, who apparently is going to be the man that is going to marry the king's daughter, the princess. Now, the princess is not too happy about that, right? She's like, wait a minute, I have to marry you, but you're like the fool. Come on, how'd this happen to me? Well, the king is embarrassed by this, and he's also upset. So what does he do? Something a little bit different than the previous story, but kind of the same. He basically is going to try to drown them. How's he going to do it? Well, he sends them out to sea in a casket. See my little frown face? So that's actually something that is a similarity even in the events, right? This idea and this idea that he's going to send them off to drown. Really unfortunate and kind of sad, but it is a similarity. Let's continue. However, Hans is able to wish for things. So he's like, wait a minute, I really want some potatoes and I want this vessel to get me out of this sea and back on land. So those wishes do come true. They go back on land, and he also says there's a key part here that he wants to be handsome and intelligent. So that comes true. And now he's like, woohoo, Hans, no longer the stupid village idiot, but he is like, right, this handsome, good-looking fellow who's very, very smart. So the king then sees them later, and I don't know if right away he recognizes his daughter. That part I was kind of still confused on, but it kind of sounds like he's sort of impressed with the life that they live because now they have like this beautiful home, they live together, and everything is okay because she fell in love with him now that he's good looking and smart. And the theme in this story is slightly different because there's a little twist there at the end. It has to do with this golden cup, right? And it has to do with like treating others fairly. So again, there is the idea that love can overcome challenges. However, there's another theme that's presented here, and it is that, like, that idea of treat others the way you would want to be treated. So So 2 themes here. However, we're looking for themes in this discussion board, if we look at this post right here, that these 2 stories share or that they have. So how would I respond to that discussion board post? Well, now that I've identified both themes, I might say, in both folk tales, a village fool marries the princess, and her father, the king, becomes upset. After trying to kill, I might even put / drown. I'll just leave it that way. After trying to kill the couple, both couples are able to survive and build a home together. And we know they didn't build it, they just wished for it, but they have now a home where they can live. So a theme that is shared in both stories is that love can overcome many challenges, or I could even say like obstacles. Again, yours might be slightly different. That's just how I would respond. All right, in part 2 of this video, we are going to take a look at some of those multiple choice questions and short answer responses that go along with Judabi and the Princess and Hans and the Princess. So see you back here in just a moment. Yesterday, you had to read the story and complete the graphic organizer and that discussion post. And now today, you are going to go through, reread these texts, especially now that Mrs. Body has gone over that graphic organizer, right? And kind of mentioned some of those details that maybe kind of slipped by us if we chose not to complete the graphic organizer. And then you're going to respond to these questions. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. So let's take a quick peek. So which of the following is a theme expressed by both folk tales? So if we get this one wrong, then we know that we haven't watched this video because we've talked about this one. Very clear. Number 2, choose the statement that describes or tells how the king's action in each folk tale contribute to the theme. So what did the king do that kind of contributed to the theme that you chose? In question number 3, how is the theme developed in Hans and the Princess? Or which theme, rather, is developed in Hans and the Princess, but not in Judabi and the Princess? Again, we've already discussed that as we completed that graphic organizer together in the first part of this video. So hopefully you've watched that portion of the video because in Hans and the Princess, there actually is another theme that develops right down in here. In question number 4, you have to go back and reread this paragraph, paragraph 8 of Hans and the Princess. And you're going to find one sentence that describes the lesson that the princess is trying to teach the king. And you're going to write it in the box below. This could almost be like one of those highlight questions where you're like, okay, is it this sentence? Is it this sentence? Is it this sentence? Okay, so instead, you're just going to copy this sentence. So you're not going to write like the sentence from Hans and the Princess. You don't have to write all of that. Just copy it. If you think it's the first sentence, then you're going to write, the king protested that he did not know, and you're going to finish that sentence. That's all you have to do. In question number 5, you have some story events here, such as like a frog helps a fool. Well, was that from both stories? Was that mentioned just in Judabi and the Princess, or was that mentioned only in Hans and the Princess? So you have to match the correct story to the story event. Now, a fool marries a princess. We know that that happens in both. So that's going to be A. So now you already have one question answered for you. You're going to do that for numbers 1 through 6, and that is all that you are doing for both of these texts today. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I probably will not reset these questions because we've gone through this in great detail. So if you can think of a question before you get started and submit, please let me know.